Okay, number 15 says solve this triangle. So you've got two sides. You need to find B, small b, and you need to find angle A and angle C. So you've got three things to find. So, okay, let's do that. First, let's see. We can't do the law of sines because we don't have the angle across from the side that we don't have both of them. So we're going to have to do the law of cosines. So let's find B. And remember, the law of cosines says for this, it would be B squared equals, okay, A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cosine B. And so if we want B, that's the law of cosines, we want the square root of that. So we would just do A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cosine B. So B is equal to the square root of, and you're obviously going to want your calculator, 9.3 squared plus 8.2 squared minus 2 times 9.3 times 8.2 times the cosine of 93.9 degrees. Put that all in your calculator and you get 12.8. And so that would be 12.8 miles. So you have B. And now let's go for the measure of angle C. Now that this is 12.8, I can use the law of cosines, the law of sines. So the sine of 93.9 over 12.8 is equal to the sine of C over 8.2. And so C is the inverse sine of 8.2 sine of 93.9 over 12.8. And you should get 39.7. And so if this is 39.7, you have 180, and then 93.9 and 39.7. So if you add those two angles together and subtract from 180, you should get the angle A is 46.4. So we have the measure of angle A equals 46.4 degrees. The measure of angle C is equal to 39.7 degrees. And B equals 12.8 miles. So there's number 15.